Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today this review will be a review from the hair company called Cenhiee. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I think that's it. And this is the hair that I am wearing. If you'd like to see how I install this wig on my head and just did some baby hairs, as well as my final review at the ending, stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Okay guys, welcome back. So now I'm gonna install this wig on my head. So this is the next part of my YouTube video, the installation process. I might not even have to glue this down, y'all. What the hell? Look how blended this is. Wow. I'm gonna pin this back, and I think I will be applying some got to be glued spray. Okay guys, so I came back and I've just finished doing my makeup. Oh, does this so loud? Okay guys, welcome back. So I just finished doing my makeup, and now I'm just gonna remove this and show you guys the final look. Ooh. Okay, alright, I am feeling this. Okay guys, so like I said before, this is a 13 by 6 by 1 T-part wig. Oh, something's tickling in my ear. Right, T-part. So like I said, it's a 13 by 6 by 1 T-part wig. It's 150% density. This is in the length 20 inches. So this is how 20 inches would look in front. So at the back, this is how long it is. Probably almost bra strap length, you could say. That is the specs of the hair. Now I'm gonna go into pros and cons of the wig. So my first pro is the shipping didn't take long. My second pro is I really liked how well the lace blended into my skin. As you guys saw, I didn't even have to put no got to be glued or anything. Like, as I put it on, it melted very well into my skin. But they said on the website that the lace is a medium brown lace, but My next pro is that I like how plucked the hairline is. I didn't really have to do much plucking, so that was a bonus. My next pro is that of course the color is beautiful. My next pro is the texture of this hair. This hair is so soft, y'all. Like, it's extremely soft. And yeah, and the next pro is that apart from the adjustable straps, they provided a neck strap on the inside to make it extra secure. So I really like that about this wig. And next pro is, you could say this wig is big head friendly, but right now I feel like it's just a little snug, but I was able to fit this to my hairline with little to no issue. And next pro is that what other pros do I have for this hair? And next pro is that I don't think I have any more pros. Now let's get into the cons of this wig. My first con is the tracks. Okay, so I did my best to try to conceal the tracks so it's not that visible, but I don't know if y'all see this here. So the tracks is a little visible. Okay, so that is my first con. I did not like that. I wish they used an orange thread instead of a black thread, so that it would be more seamless. I don't know if y'all could see it on the side as well, because I know in the first part of my video you could have seen the track on the side, but I think it blended pretty well now, like that I applied it on my head. I guess it was more visible on the mannequin head. So like, y'all will have to watch the first video where I did customization, unboxing, styling of this wig. That is my only con about this wig. Other than that, I would recommend this wig because I would say is basically beginner friendly. Scratch that. I wouldn't say beginner friendly because, you know, with the tracks you have to do a lot to try and conceal the tracks, so that's the only reason I wouldn't see this wig as beginner friendly. But I really like this texture of this wig. Before I continue, let me put some powder in the parting because I realized I didn't have any powder in the parting. Okay, right, so that's fixed now. But overall, y'all, I am really feeling this. Like, for real. This is gorgeous. I believe it costs about $150 something. I don't know. Okay, so that's it for my YouTube video. I'd like to say thank you Cenhiee Hair for sending me this wig. I really like doing this review. This hair is bomb. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys get to see when I'm posting and you get to see it first. Okay, so thank you again and toodles.